Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask a question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time, and a handsome salary which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And interesting thing is, anyone can learn data science. There is no qualification required. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. Yeah, you heard it right. So in simple word, data science has a good future. Therefore, now is the right time to upskill in data science. So the question is, from where you can learn data science with placement assistance? The answer is OdinSchool. You can join OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp, because OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get placement assistance. Also, you can see here some success stories of OdinSchool. Right here you can see there are so many candidates who got placed in top companies after joining OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp. You can see, right? Yeah, an important thing to note is that all the candidates got high packages because OdinSchool negotiates on behalf of the candidates for their salary packages, so you don't have to worry about the salary package, right? So now let's discuss about the fee structure. So for this bootcamp, fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but don't worry, there is a scholarship up to 30,000, right? Also, one thing, there is additional 10,000 rupees off. This is early bird offer, but this is limited to the first 100 seats, so hurry up. So let's summarize. Bootcamp fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but you can get a scholarship up to 30,000 rupees. Also, there is an early bird offer. If you get, then 10,000 rupees will be subtracted. So total amount you need to pay 59,000 rupees plus GST. Also, if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, don't worry. There is no cost EMI option is available, which starts at 5,506 rupees per month, right? And also, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, then don't worry, your fee will be fully refunded, right? And upcoming cohort is starting from 30th September 2023, and next is starting from 28th October 2023. So hurry up. Registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Now let's discuss about the curriculum. So for this bootcamp, curriculum will be, so first let's discuss about the core module. So in this core module, topics covered will be SQL, Python, statistics, EDA, machine learning, business intelligence, storytelling, GitHub, right? And these are the tools and technologies you will use, and these are the projects which you will complete during this bootcamp. So projects are credit card approval, COVID-19 prediction, health insurance prediction, bank term deposit, California housing price prediction, customer churn rate prediction. So these are the projects you will complete during this in the core module. And after that, in the electives and others, what you will learn: Power BI, PySpark, and these are the topics they will cover: NLP, ETL, Azure Advanced, Excel, Azure Data Factory, Power BI Advanced, and these are the tools and technologies you will learn during this bootcamp, right? So what you will get exactly in this data science bootcamp? So there will be live instructor led bootcamp, and after that you will be job readiness in 6 months. So this is really important thing. And project based learnings and unlimited job opportunities. Yeah, unlimited, really unlimited job opportunities, right? Also, you can see there are more than 500 companies which are hiring partner of this OdinSchool, so you don't have to worry about the placement, right? Because there are more than 500 companies which are hiring partner, and there are unlimited job opportunities, right? Yeah, so what you have to do, simple, you need to fill this form. Simple, fill this form and click on the request a callback. So registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.